2C House by Baquio Arquitectura in Quito, Ecuador. The project is a single-family house in an urban context in the valleys of the city of Quito, Ecuador. The proposal is defined by two basic decisions: on one hand, establishing a harmonious relationship with a neighboring built project, and on the other hand, promoting privacy so that spaces that do not require connection can function independently. To achieve this, both decisions are resolved in two equal blocks that are divided by a connecting axis that opens towards the other project. In each block, a C shape is used to close off the space that is not desired to be faced. This allows for zoning the service area towards the C shapes, creating a duality between blocks. Hence the name 2C. The ground floor of Block A houses the common and social uses of the family. The ground floor of Block B a bedroom that has a direct relationship with the neighboring project plus a collective wet zone. The upper floor in Block A houses the master bedroom without a relationship with the neighboring project, and Block B has two bedrooms that have a direct relationship with the neighboring project: grandmother, grandfather, grandchildren. Finally, the vertical circulation is resolved in the connecting axis. As for its materiality, the project stands out for its focus on wood. This choice is not only based on the numerous advantages that wood offers, such as its versatility, resistance, and environmentally friendly character. It also seeks to rescue implicit values in traditional architecture, especially influenced by Japanese aesthetics. The main structure of the project has been designed using laminated pine wood. The composite columns and beams have been carefully arranged to achieve structural balance and allow for the creation of 1.20-meter cantilevers. These cantilevers not only complement the design but also offer valuable protection to the wood, acting as a barrier against rain and sun. As for the facades, the choice of palm wood has significant advantages. The porous characteristic of this wood allows for better absorption of the applied lacquer, which contributes to prolonging its useful life and minimizing the required maintenance. Finally, metal functions as a complementary material to resolve joints, floor finishes, and solutions that contribute to the protection of the wood.